Yes, children, welcome back to biology class. So, what are the main hormones and their role and our function in our body? We had already discussed in the previous class, isn't it, children? Yes. Now, role of hormones in initiating reproductive function. What is the main hormone that is going to activate our reproductive system? First, if we see, endocrine glands are the glands, okay, which don't have what? Ducts to carry their secretions. I have already told the definition in the previous classes. Endocrine glands, they don't have ducts to carry their secretions, nothing but hormones. Then how do they just transfer them? Because they release the hormones directly into the bloodstream. Endocrine glands release hormones directly into the bloodstream to reach a particular part. That particular part actually is called here target site. What do we call it as? Target site. Endocrine glands, they don't have ducts to carry their secretions. So, they release their secretions directly into the bloodstream to reach a particular site. Okay? That particular site is called here, or part is called here, target site. What do we call it as? Target site. This target site, it may be a cell, or it may be a tissue, or it may be a organ. Understood? Through blood, it just reaches to the particular part of our body. You once recall all the endocrine glands and their function, their hormones. Understood? Where they have situated and where they will work. Okay? So next, if you see, these endocrine glands actually works under the control of a master gland which is called here pituitary. You know everybody know that. Yes, no? So this actually testes and ovaries are the, what is that? Sex organs of males and females. Okay? Testes and ovaries are the sex organs of male and female. Okay, these both will produce here sex hormones. Sex hormones. Okay, they produce sex hormones. So if you see, these all these hormones will be under the control of pituitary gland. Pituitary gland. This pituitary gland release so many hormones. It releases so many hormones. Okay, and one of which is called here FSH. FSH. What is the full form of FH? FH is follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone. This follicle stimulating hormone makes ovaries to mature, and produce here, what is that? Estrogen. Okay, sex hormone. Female sex hormone. What is that? Estrogen. Understood? And it matures testes to produce here, what is that? Testosterone. Male sex hormone. Understood? So, this follicle stimulating hormone stimulates or matures the ovaries and testes to produce their hormones. Okay, which will involve in that reproductive system. So, in such a way, hormones will initiate our will makes our reproductive system gets functional. Understood? Okay. Target site. It may be a cell or a tissue or a organ. So testes and ovaries are the sex organs of male and female. These testes and ovaries releases sex hormones. All the hormones will be under the control of pituitary gland. So this pituitary gland releases some of the, what are they? Hormones. And one of which is called here follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone. This follicle stimulating hormone stimulates or makes ovaries to mature and release estrogen. The same way it makes or stimulates the testes to release the testosterone as hormone. In such a way, hormones will take place in initiating reproductive function. Understood? Thank you.